My name is David. I'm coming to you from Hi-Tec Sports. This is the Trailblazer Mid. The suede and high-performance mesh upper with a Ghilly and double eyelet lacing system for a secure fit, a fully gusseted tongue to keep out those little annoying rocks. On the inside we have a moisture-wicking lining to keep your foot dry, an anti-microbial sock liner to keep your foot fresh, an EVA midsole for extra cushioning, an aggressive tread pattern on the bottom to keep you on your feet. Whether you're hiking or biking, the Trailblazer Mid is a great multi-sport shoe.